Good morning, dear students. So, as we have completed your third lesson, we are going to start with a fourth lesson, that is Mowgli joins the wolf pack. Okay, so first just see the warm up. The law is a system of rules that everyone in a society or country must obey. Write down any 3 rules that you obey at home, in school, and in a playground. Are there any common ones? So, see here. Law. Law. What law means? Law is a system of rules. It's a system of rules that everyone has to follow in the society. Okay, everyone has to follow in the society or in the country. So, what they have asked here? We have to write down any 3 rules. Okay, which we are following in our home, our school, or in our playground. Okay, so comparing all these things like which the rules which we are following in school, home, and playground, like is any rule or any law is same, is common from that you have to write. Okay, and see second one. As we people are having laws, the system of rules that animals are said to follow in a jungle are called what? The law of the jungle. Okay, see how we have to follow or how we have to obey the rules, system of rules in society. The same way, the system of rules that animals has to follow in the jungle are called law of jungle. Okay, so you have to just search it. You have to just search it out, and you have to write down 3 jungle laws. Okay, and you have to like discuss among yourself or with your parents that how different are they from each other. Okay, so now just see the chapter. See here, the extract is taken from Rudyard Kipling's The Jungle Book, which is a collection of stories about wild animals and their interaction with human beings. Among them, few of the stories are about Mowgli, a little boy who was brought up by a family of wolves. So, this story has been taken from the Jungle Book. I hope all of you have seen the movie already, the Jungle Book. In the animation also it is there, right? So, in this, like many stories are about Mowgli. Mowgli is a little boy who has born in one family, but he is brought up by a family of wolves. Okay, so see the chapter now. It was a very warm evening in the Seeonee Hills. Father Wolf woke up from his day's rest. Mother Wolf lays with her cubs. It is time to hunt again, said Father Wolf. He was going to spring downhill when Tabaki, the jackal, came and said, Sher Khan has shifted his hunting grounds. He has told me that he will hunt among these hills for the next moon. See here, it was a very warm evening. So Father Wolf was, it was just it was in his day's rest. See, when your father will work and he will come back at the afternoon, he will have his food and he'll just sleep for 1 or 2 hours just to take rest, right? In the same way here the father wolf was also taking rest, and as it was evening, it got up. The father wolf woke up from his rest, and then mother wolf lay with her cubs. When father wolf woke up, that time mother wolf lay with her cubs. Cubs means the like in jungle. See, the young one of wolf, lion, tiger are called cubs. See how like in human, a little like we'll call baby. The same way they are calling cubs. Okay, so it's time to hunt again, said Father Wolf. So what he said? It's time to hunt again. The baby, like the cubs, they want to have food. Even the mother, so they want food, right? to survive. So what Father Wolf said? It's time to hunt again. He was going to spring downhill when Tabaki, the jackal, came and said. When he was going for spring downhill to hunt the Tabaki. Tabaki means it was a jackal. So it came and what it said? Sher Khan has shifted his hunting grounds. He has told me that he will hunt among these hills for the next moon. So Sher Khan is tiger. I hope all of you have seen the story of this Mowgli or the Jungle Book. In that you must have seen the Sher Khan, the tiger. Okay. So the tiger name was Sher Khan. So he has shifted his hunting grounds. Animals will be having their particular area. In that areas only they have to hunt. That was the law of the jungle. Okay. But now here Sher Khan means the tiger has shifted its place. Now what he has told that he is going to hunt in these area, means where the wolves used to live. Okay, there he want to hunt. Sher Khan was the tiger who lived near the Wainganga river 20 miles away. So Sher Khan was a tiger, as I have already said you. Sher Khan was the tiger who lived near Wainganga river. It was 20 miles away from the wolf's house, where wolves used to live, Seoni Hills. Okay. He has no right. Father Wolf began angrily. By the law of jungle, he has no right to change his quarters without due warning. So Father Wolf, he got angry that why he is coming in our area. He has no rights to change his quarters. Father Wolf started with angrily that he has no right to change his quarters. By the law of jungle, he has no right. Otherwise, he have to, he is supposed to give a due warning. Like before, he used to give warning, but he has not given that also. He don't have any right. Father Wolf was angry. He has been lame in one foot from his birth. That is why he has only killed cattle. Now the villagers of Wainganga are angry with him, and he has come here to make our villagers angry. This is very dangerous for us, Mother Wolf said. So see first where he used to live. He used to live in Wainganga. Okay, so there he has killed the cattle. So because of that, the villagers of Wainganga are angry on him now. That is why he is changing the quarter, and now he is coming here. It means he will make our villagers also angry. Now it will be very dangerous for us. The Mother Wolf was telling this to Father Wolf. Okay, so what happens after Sher Khan comes? And why they have kept the name as Mowgli joins the wolf pack. How he joined? We'll see in the next video. Thank you, students.